Welcome to the first lecture. Let's start with a question you've probably asked yourself. Why would someone who's smart, successful, and capable hire you to write for them? It's a fair question, but here's the truth. Ghostwriting isn't just about writing. It's about trust, strategy, and solving a problem most clients can't fix themselves. In this lecture, we'll unpack the real reasons public figures, CEOs, founders, influencers, and thought leaders turn to ghostwriters and what they expect when they do. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to identify both emotional and business-driven reasons why clients hire ghostwriters. Understand what high-value clients actually look for in a ghostwriter. Recognize spoken and unspoken expectations clients will have from you. Limited time, biggest constraint. The most common reason clients hire ghostwriters? Lack of time. Founders, CEOs, and public figures often have valuable insights, but their schedules don't allow them the space to sit down and shape those ideas into content. It's not that they can't write, it's that writing consistently at a high standard doesn't fit into their calendar. As a ghostwriter, you provide them with a consistent professional voice without demanding more of their already limited time. Sounding sharp, staying authentic. Many clients are wary of sounding too corporate or too scripted. They want to show up as themselves, but on their best day. They need you to amplify their ideas, clean up their thoughts, and maintain their personality. Your role is to match their tone, rhythm, and choice of language so that their audience hears them even when you're the one doing the writing. Building reputation and legacy. Public figures understand that their online presence isn't just about engagement metrics. It's about reputation, positioning, and legacy. A thoughtful post can lead to speaking opportunities, media features, or strategic partnerships. In contrast, a poorly crafted message can create backlash or dilute their brand. Your writing directly influences how they are perceived in their industry and beyond. Partnering confidence and clarity. Even the most successful people second-guess their words. They may feel their ideas are too raw, scattered, or not good enough for public sharing. This is where you step in, not just as a writer, but as a thought partner who helps shape, refine, and give structure to their ideas. You help them sound more confident, focused, and articulate than they would on their own. Beyond grammar, strategic value. Your polished sentences are not enough for the clients. They expect the content that has strategic value. High-value clients don't hire ghostwriters just to correct grammar. They expect you to understand their goals, their audience, and the purpose behind every piece of content. Every post needs to align with their broader strategy, whether it's building authority, establishing trust, growing visibility, or driving engagement. When you position yourself as a strategic partner, you elevate your value far beyond just a writer. Ghostwriting is not about putting words on a page, but helping someone show up in the world the way they want to be seen. The more deeply you understand why clients hire ghostwriters, the more you can position yourself as a trusted partner, someone who doesn't just write, but shapes reputation, builds clarity, and protects their voice.